Okay, the first one. What name is given to the smallest constituents of matter that combine together to form molecules?
Atoms.
Pure substance consisting of one type of atom that can't be broken down chemically into simpler substance.
Element.
Good morning, Mariam. Which of the following chemical formulas represents the molecules that are also compounds? Example of compound.
آخر واحدة E.
Yes, excellent. MgCl2, why? How could we know? Because they are different. Mariam? Good morning. I think she has a problem in the internet. She's trying to enter from the beginning. I believe she can't hear me. Okay, what is the name of the element? What is the name of the element which or with the chemical symbol Si? Okay, don't know it yet, I think. So this one, they are asking about the name of the element.
We still didn't take the symbols.
Yes, I don't know the. See if the other questions we took it or not yet. Yeah, all of them. So, which of the following is not the name for a change of state? Anyone that we don't know? Which category of energy does a substance usually gain or lose to undergo a change of state? No. Huh?
Thermal energy.
The diagram below outlines the change in state between solid, liquid, and gas. What name is given to X? Focus.
Vaporization.
Diagram attractive forces between two molecules in a liquid, indicated by an arrow. The larger the arrow, the stronger the attractive force. Then they are asking if liquid undergoes a change state to gas. So what will happen to the attraction force?
C.
Very good. هنا the graph show how the temperature of a solid changes over time when heated. The part of the graph marked X indicates the point at which the change of state from solid to liquid happens. At this point, the temperature remains constant, despite there being continuous heating. What name is given to the heat required for a change of state to occur?
Specific heat.
Just trying to choose anyone. I didn't pick this one. Okay, you will take it inshallah in grade 10. This one. Order the following statements to describe what happens when solid is heated. يلا. What will be the first one? Let's start with the first step.
4.
Right. Okay. So the particles gain more energy and vibrate more.
1.
There's another one that can be the first.
3, 2.
4.
4, 1, 3, 2. B.
You sure? Okay, I will try yours. Okay. And what a change station. Okay, this one we just made it,
Yes.
right? Why? Oh, it's another one. Okay, X is
X
this one.
is melting.
What a change will occur during the process of melting?
B.
From melting. Yes, it's from A to B. A to B. Which of the arrows indicates the increase of temperature? A or B?
A.
A, when the temperature increases, the gas will be liquid and the liquid will be solid.
B.
Mm. You understand it, right?
Yes. Temperature increase, more heat.
Very good. Start with the last questions. I believe you didn't make them yet.
No. Need like 2 pages.
So study the following figures and then answer. When we are asking, mention the figure illustrating. Liquid, of course, is liquid A, B, or C? B, solid,
C.
A, and خلاص gas A. Complete by heating the matter C, it change into matter B, and this is known as from C to B. Melting. By continuous heating, matter B change into A. This process is known as
Vibration. Evaporation.
Yes, vaporization or evaporation. You said vibration. Vibration is movement. Okay. Good morning, Tuka Ahmed. How are you? All grade 7 when they enter, no sound at all. Study the opposite figure, then answer which of the figures represents the molecules of solid matter and why. Yeah.
Matter 2.
Yeah, why?
Because the intermolecular spaces are narrow.
Very good. طيب, when heating matter 1, 2, what? It change into what? And represented by the what? It represented by the molecules of figure 3. Okay. So we are starting with 1 and ending by 3. 1. Matter 1, 2,
1 is water. And 3 is gas, means vaporization.
they are asking in which point يعني on heating matter 1 that is already 1 is what? Liquid, right? Yes, on heating liquid 2, which point that it will boil at?
Boiling point.
Yes, to boiling point. It changes into
Gas.
yes, gas or gaseous state, which is represented by figure 3. Yes, that's right. Explain the effect of heat in change substance 2 into substance 1. يعني from solid to liquid.
Less intermolecular spaces.
Yes.
And more
لا,
intermolecular
yes, yes. More intermolecular spaces and the force.
and the force decrease
Mhm.
and the movement is faster.
Yes. Okay. Number 4 to the figure represented the state of matter that its molecules spread in any variable space. طبعا.
3.
Ahmed, can you hear us now? Which of the following figures represents the element molecules and which of them represents the compound molecules and why? Let's start one by one. Figures, let's start with elements. What are elements here? Which figures? Tufa?
Sorry, I was talking with my mic closed. Number 1 and number 4.
Yes, number 1 and 4. Why they are elements?
Because they're built with similar atoms.
Very good. How about the others?
The others compounds.
Yes, very good. They are compounds because each of them consisting from different
atoms.
The following figures indicates melting and vaporization. يعني
melting is A,
yeah,
vaporization is B, and A because ice can melt in low temperatures
yes, and they change into
and change into
water.
water.
Mm-hmm.
And then water boils to 100 degrees. That's water's boiling point.
Yes.
And it turns into gas.
Right. Let's make the times questions. The intermolecular spaces among the molecules of metals are
narrow.
Yes, narrow, very small, and the intermolecular forces among their molecules are
very strong.
Very strong. The ratio of the number of elements between water molecule and ammonia molecule is the ratio of number of elements. The number of elements found in water. How many elements found in water? You know?
3.
Okay, and the ammonia? What?
أنا شفت السؤال ده قبل كده وما عرفتش أعمل إيه فيه يعني.
Okay, here they are asking the ratio of number of elements between water molecule. You already know it's H2O, right? And the ammonia molecule that is NH3 is, so I have in water 3 and and
أمونيا.
ammonia. Yes.
لا المفروض نكتب ايه لسه برضه.
Hmm? 3 to
يعني
4.
اوكي.
Alright. True or false, the molecules of water are more coherent than the molecules of air. What do you think? Like near to each other.
right.
When water boils, the intermolecular forces increase and the intermolecular spaces decrease.
wrong.
Wrong. Very good. طيب, when water molecules are compared to water vapor molecules, water molecules are
slower and less and more close together.
yes, very good. Mention 3 compounds that can be formed from the following elements. 3 compounds. طيب. We have hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and chlorine. I want the 3 compounds. First one.
Water and
Water,
and
yes.
ammonia.
Water, ammonia, and another third one. We have hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen chloride, right? HCl. Hydrogen chloride. Yes. Hydrogen chloride. Arrange the following substance ascendingly according to intermolecular forces. What?
Carbon dioxide, water,
Yes. Very good. But carbon dioxide, from where did you bring carbon dioxide? There is no carbon, by the way.
oxygen فيها. قصدي الكربون فيها في الأكسجين. أنا ما أعرفش أنا بقول إيه.
It's water, ammonia, and hydrogen chloride. اللي هو HCl. طيب number 5 يلا. What? Why is it you?
في حد موجود.
أيوة توقع أحمد. But her mic is closed already and she is saying that she can't hear us. Number 5 يلا. Arrange ascendingly according to the intermolecular forces. Number 1.
Table salt, alcohol, oxygen.
Really? This is the arrangement or you are reading?
Yes.
Arrangement A. What is the arrangement?
من الفورسز. اوكي. oxygen, alcohol.
أيوة. أيوة. That's right.
معلش مش عارفة أنا بقول إيه. أنا لسه قاعدة شوية.
Why? No, you are already doing great, inshallah. Let's do the odd word, the question for KG. Choose the odd word out, then write the scientific term of the others. Yeah, the first one, what is the odd word?
Water vapor.
Yes, and the others. Scientific term for the others.
The others are liquid.
Yes, okay, number 2.
Oxygen.
Others.
Are noble gases.
Very good. Number 3.
Helium.
Helium. Very good. And the others?
Others are diatomic gases.
What atomic?
Diatomic gases.
Right. Okay. And the number 4?
Water.
Number 4, water. Why number 4 water? We have ammonia, water, aluminium, hydrogen chloride.
Oil ولا molecule.
Whatever. It's an element. يعني الألمنيوم an element, monoatomic element. So, for sure, yes. And the others are?
Others are compounds.
Yes, very good. Number 5. Marine water, bromine, carbon.
Water. The others are gases.
Others are what?
Gases.
Really? The bromine is liquid.
أنا ما أعرفش إيه bromine.
We took it the example of liquid. We took it in elements. You took 2 examples about elements that are liquid, mercury and bromine. Mercury monoatomic and bromine diatomic. But both of them are liquid. Okay? So here the others won't be gases. The others will be يعني elements because this is a compound, so the others are elements. Okay? Carbon is monoatomic, it's only C. Bromine Br. And fluorine F. You already will know them all. Good morning, Rufaida.
Good morning.
Good morning. Alhamdulillah, someone. Yes, alhamdulillah.
لسه هتخلص بعد 10 دقايق.
Give example, right, yalla. Give example about a compound molecule consisting of 2 different atoms. 2 different atoms. Like what? 2 different atoms. What?
يعني 2 atoms ولا نوعين؟
2 different atoms.
Okay.
H2O or
اسمها ايه؟ أنيميا.
what? It's HCl. HCl, the hydrogen chloride. They are 2 different atoms, hydrogen and chloride. Type 4 atoms. Molecule consisting from 4 atoms. Wait, we have only one example. Hmm? Hmm.
Compound
Compound forming from 4 atoms. Ammonia. Yes, what is the symbol? N, H, 3. NH3. You have to know them.
1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen.
Yes. A compound molecule consisting of 3 atoms.
H2O.
H2O. Rufaidah, you can share with us. Did you study this part, Rufaidah? What elements? What?
No, I didn't.
Why? It's very important. And as well as it's chemistry, it means they are flying away. That's why then we have to study them very much.
Okay.
Neon.
Yes, noble gas, neon, okay, neon. Okay. Active gas,
Argon. Where?
argon. What did you say?
Noble gases.
Noble gases and argon, very good.
Oxygen.
Active gas, oxygen, O2. Like liquid element composed of 2 atoms. We just said that liquid element consists of
لا مش mercury.
مش mercury. liquid diatomic يعني.
Bromine.
Yes, very good. Bromine. Okay. And liquid, 1 atom.
Mercury.
Mercury. Mercury. What? Mercury. Okay. I think we don't have to answer the first 3. They are already easy. يعني any solid, any liquid, any gas يعني. No problem. Okay.
نقدر نقول ice, water, water vapor.
Yes, that's right. Give reason. Your best question, right?
Yay.
Really? Is it? Your best? Okay. Give reason. The odor of perfumes is spread all over the room when the bottle is opened.
Because the molecules are in continuous motion.
Yes. So the molecules are in continuous motion. That's why they are spreading all over the room, carrying the same properties of matter. A drop of ink spreads through water. Yes, the same answer. Yes, the same answer. Rufaidah, do you know this one? Disappearance of a little amount of table salt when it is put in a beaker containing water for a period of time. Or if you leave some salt in the water, they will disappear.
Yes.
Why?
Can you repeat the question?
It's the number 3. Disappearance of a little amount of table salt when it is put in a beaker containing water.
Because the molecule of water.
Because what?
Molecule of water.
Yes, the molecules of water, they have what in between them? They have spaces, right? Intermolecular spaces.
Intermolecular space.
So there are intermolecular spaces between the molecules of water. So the table salt enter between these spaces. That's why they are disappearing, right? It is the same for salt, the sugar. It is the same like the volume of mixture of water and alcohol is less than the sum of their volumes to get before mixing. All of these speaking about the intermolecular spaces of the molecules. So let's make the last one. It is difficult to break down a piece of iron with your hand. Why? تقع.
Because the intermolecular force between the metal is very strong.
Yes. And you should write because iron is solid, so the intermolecular forces between their molecules is very strong. That's why it's very hard to break it. Okay.